In this short video, I'll show you how to force restart your iPhone when it's frozen or unresponsive. This issue can happen for various reasons, such as your iPhone getting stuck on the Apple logo or when the touchscreen stops responding. But don't worry, there's a simple solution that doesn't delete any of your data. A force restart is a quick method that reboots your iPhone without needing to interact with the screen, especially when you're unsure how to turn off an iPhone without the screen. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users resolve frozen iPhone issues, whether you have an iPhone with a home button or the latest models without one. Together, we're going to explore the different ways to restart your iPhone and fix this problem. Stay with me until the end to learn what to do if the iPhone still won't restart even after following the process in this video. Now, let's get started on how to restart an iPhone when frozen. Before we begin, let's locate the buttons we'll be using. First is the volume up button. It's typically located on the left side of your iPhone here. Next is the volume down button, right below the volume up button here. Then, we have the sleep wake button, also known as the side or power button, located on the right side of the iPhone here. And lastly, there's the home button, which you'll find on older iPhone models below the screen here. Now, let's move on to the exact sequence for force restarting various iPhone models. Here's the process for force restarting older iPhones with a home button, like the iPhone SE first generation, iPhone 6s, 7, 8, and their variants, plus iPhone SE second generation. Press and hold the power button together with the home button until the Apple logo appears. This might take around 10 seconds. Release all buttons when the Apple logo appears. The iPhone will switch off and then reboot. Allow several seconds for the reboot process to complete. Before we proceed, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Next, let's move on to how to force restart iPhone models without a home button. To start, press and release the volume up button. Then, press and release the volume down button. Quickly press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, release the power button. This process may take around 20 seconds, so feel free to pause this video till the next step. Don't slide to power off on the screen, just keep holding the power button until the Apple logo shows up. The iPhone will reboot, and it may take about 1 minute to fully launch. These steps ensure you can safely reboot your device without losing data, even if it's stuck on the Apple logo or you're trying to figure out how to turn off an iPhone without the screen. But what if your device still won't power back on despite following these steps? No worries. In the video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to fix unresponsive iPhones using a hard reset. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.